Exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Find the each of the following products. A. 3 into minus 1. As we know, plus into minus and 3 into 1 is equals to minus 3. B. Minus 1 into 225. Minus 1 into 225 is minus into plus is equals to minus, and 1 into 225 we get minus 225. C. Minus 21 into minus 30. Answer: minus into minus is equals to plus, and then 21 into 30 we get 630. So the answer is 630. D. Minus 316 into minus 1 is equals to 316. As we know, minus into minus we get plus, and 316 into 1 is equals to 316. And E. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. When we see this equation, we must get a thought: if any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0, and without multiplying the other both numbers, we can say the answer is 0. F. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. As we know, minus into minus plus, and plus into plus plus, and then 12 into 11 is equals to 130 into 10 is equals to 1320. The answer is plus 1320. G. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6 is equals to plus into plus, or is equals to plus, and minus into minus is equals to plus. So here minus into minus is given, so plus, and 9 into 18. Minus 3 into minus 6 is equals to plus 18, and 9 into 18 is equals to 162. H. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus, and then plus into minus minus. The answer is minus, and then 18 into 5 is 90 into minus 4 is equals to minus 360. I. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, and plus 2 into 3 is equals to minus 6, and minus 6 into 4 is equals to minus 24. J. Minus 3 into minus 6 into 2 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 6 is plus 18, and 2 into minus 1 is equals to minus 2. 18 into minus 2 is equals to minus 36, but here it's given wrong, then answer is minus 36. Question number 2. Verify the following. A. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into 3. Here 18 into bracket, here in this bracket 7 and 3 minus 3 are both are given, so that this 18 should be multiplied in for both of the numbers. So in the right side it is given that 18 into 7 and 18 into minus 3. It is given correctly, hence we should verify that left hand side LHS is equals to 18 into 4 is equals to 126 plus into minus 54. 18 4s are 72, and 126 plus minus we get minus 54. 126 minus 54 is equals to 72. Hence it is verified LHS is equals to RHS. And second one, minus 21 into bracket minus 4 plus minus 6, and then other side in the bracket minus 21 into minus 4 plus in the bracket minus 21 into 6. So here also the same is given. 21 is multiplied, 21 should be multiplied with both minus 4 and minus 6. So on right hand side minus 21, as I said, minus 21 is multiplied with minus 4 and as well as minus 6. So let's prove it. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is equals to minus 10, and other side minus 21 into minus 4 is 84 plus 21 into minus 6 is 126. Minus 21 into minus 10 is equals to minus into minus plus 21 into 10 210, and other side 84 plus 126 is 210. Hence it is also verified LHS is equals to RHS. 210 is equals to 210. And next question number 3. First one, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? As given on the screen, we can know that minus 1 into a. As a is a positive integer, minus into plus is equals to minus, and if any integer is multiplied with 1, we get the same integer. So here we get minus a, where a is an integer. And second one, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is a minus 22 and b 37, c is equals to 0. And answer A is minus 22 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, and 21 into 1 minus plus 21. B 37 into minus 1, 37 into 1 37, and 1 minus plus minus into plus is equals to minus, so that we get minus 37. C is equals to minus 1 into 0 is equals to 0. If any integer is multiplied with 0, then we get answer as 0. Question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some patterns to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to 1. Here, as given on the screen, minus 1 into 5 is equals to minus 5, and minus 1 into 4 is equals to minus 4, minus 1 into 3 is equals to minus 3, and minus 1 into 2 is equals to minus 2. And minus 1 into 1 is equals to minus 1, and minus 1 into 0 is 0. As I said, if any integer is multiplied with 0, the answer is 0. And minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Why? Because here these both are negative integers, and minus into minus we get 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to 1. Thus, we can conclude that this pattern shows the product of one negative integer and one positive integer is negative integer, where the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Yeah, as I said, if an integer is negative and another integer is positive, then we get minus as answer, and if both are negative, we get plus as the answer. Question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. A. 26 into minus 48 plus 48 into minus 36. As we know, it is suitable property is distributive property, and write the answer as given below. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Here minus 48 is repeated, so that let minus 48 be common here, and minus 48 into 26 plus minus 36, minus 48 into, as we know, plus into minus, and that 26 minus 36 is equals to minus 10, and then minus 48 into minus 10, minus into minus plus, and 48 into 10 480. And next B, 8 into 53 into minus 125, 8 into 53 into minus 125. Here commutative property is suitable here. 53 into 8 into 120 minus 125. 53 into 8 into minus 125 is minus 1000, and 53 into minus 1000 is equals to minus 53,000. C. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10, and commutative property, let 15 be common here. and minus 25 into minus 4 is equals to plus 100. 100 into 10,000 and plus into minus 1,000. 15 into minus 1,000 is minus 15,000. D minus 41 into 102. Here distributive property is suitable. Minus 41 is common. Let minus 41 be common, and 102 is also written like 100 plus 2, and here minus 41 is common, and in bracket 100 plus 2 is there, and 41 should be multiplied by both 100 and 2. Minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Minus 41 into 100 is minus 4,100 plus 41 into 2 minus 82. So minus 4,100 plus minus 82 is equals to minus 4,182. And E 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Here 625 is common, and let's 625 be aside as common, into minus 35 plus minus 65. Minus 35 plus minus 65 is equals to minus 100, and 625 into minus 100 is equals to minus 62,500. And if here it's given as C and it's F, 7 into 50 minus 2, as we solved the last question in distributive property as it is also distributive property. 7 into 50 minus 2. 7 is common and out of the bracket, so 7 should be multiplied by both 50 and minus 2, so that 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. 7 into 50 is 350, and minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. 350 minus 14 is 336. And D minus 17 into minus 29. Minus 17 let it be aside, and minus 21 can be written as minus 30 plus 1, so that it should be multiplied with both minus 30 and as well as plus 1. Minus 17 into 30 plus minus 17 into 1. Minus 17 into 30 we get 510 plus minus 17 into 1 minus 17. 510 plus into minus we get minus 17. 510 minus 17 is equals to 493. And E minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. 57 and 57 minus 1 minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57 into 1. Here distributive property. 57 into 19 and 57 into 1. Here we can take 57 as common. Why? Because it is repeated 2 times. So in bracket 19 plus 1. 57 19 plus 1 is 20, so that 57 into 20 is equals to 1140. Question number 6. A certain freezing process requires the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Here the temperature of the room is 40 degrees Celsius, and the temperature decreases by 5 degrees Celsius per every hour. It is asked to calculate what is the temperature after the 10 hours. So let's write in the given process. Present room temperature is equals to 40 degrees Celsius, and decreasing the temperature every hour is equals to 5 degrees Celsius. Room temperature after 10 hours. Here is equals to plus 40 degrees Celsius plus 10 into minus 5. 10 into minus 5 is minus 50 degrees Celsius. So 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Thus the room temperature after 10 hours is equals to minus 10 degrees Celsius after the process begins. Question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions which are not attempted. First question is Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? As given down, Mohan gets marks for 4 correct answers. It is said that for every correct answer we get 5 marks and 4 into 5 is 20 marks. He gets marks for 6 incorrect answers is equals to 6 into minus 2 is equals to minus 12. And therefore total score of Mohan, total means we know that total it means addition, and let's do 4 into 5 plus 6 into minus 2, 4 into 5 20 and minus 6 into 2 12, 20 minus 12 is equals to 8. Thus Mohan get 8 marks in the class test. And second, Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? Reshma gets marks for 5 correct answers is equals to 5 into 5 is equals to 25. She gets marks for incorrect answers 5 into minus 2, 25 and minus 10. The total score of Reshma is 25 plus minus 10 is equals to 15. Thus, Reshma gets 15 marks in a class test. Third, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Hina gets marks for 2 correct answers is equals to 2 into 5 10, and for 5 incorrect answers she get 5 into minus 2 minus 10. Therefore 10 plus minus 10 is equals to 0. Thus Reshma gets 0 marks in a class test. Question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. Here there is a cement company and it gets profit while selling the white cement of rupees 8 and it get loss of rupees 5 for grey cement sold. And question A, the company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Write the answer given here as it is. You try to learn what is given here first. Given is equals to profit of 1 bag of white cement is equals to 8 rupees and loss of 1 bag of grey cement is equals to 5 rupees. Here they asked profit or loss of selling 3,000 white cement bags and 5,000 of grey cement. Let's calculate. Profit on selling 3,000 bags of white cement is equals to 3,000 into 8 is equals to 24,000, and loss of selling 5,000 bags of grey cement is equals to 5,000 into rupees 5 is equals to 25,000. Since profit is less than loss here, therefore his total loss on selling the grey cement bags is equals to loss minus profit. 25,000 minus 24,000 is equals to 1,000. So he has lost of 1,000 on selling the grey cement bags. And B, what is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. Here B, let the number of bags of white cement be X. X is a variable. We don't know the number of bags they sold. So let it be X. According to the question, loss is equals to profit. So 5 into 6,400 is equals to X into 8. Here let X come to the right hand side and 5 into 6400 go to the right hand side. So x is equals to 5 into 6400 by 8. If we do this calculation, we get 5000. So that he sold 5000 white cement bags. Thus he must sell 4000 white cement bags to 5000. Actually it is 5000, but here is given wrong. 5000 cement bags to have neither profit nor loss. Question number 9. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Here there are 4 statements given and a blank in that. Try to fill this blank. And answers are also given down. A. Minus 3 into dash is equals to 27. As we know, 3 9s are 27. Minus 3 is given, so we must get a positive integer as answer. Here answer is positive integer. As we know, both negative if we multiply both negative integers, we get positive integer as the answer, and minus 3 into minus 9 we get 27 as answer. B. 5 into dash is equals to minus 35. We know 5 7s are 35, but here in the answer it is a negative integer. In the question 5 is a positive integer. So when we multiply a positive integer and a negative integer, we get negative integer as answer. So as we know, 5 into 7 35. Here minus 7 should be written. Why? Because 5 into minus 7 is equals to minus 35. And C. 7 into minus 8 is equals to minus 56. As we know, 7 into 8 56, and in this question itself it is given it is negative integer, and answer also it is negative integer. So in the answer in the blank space it must be positive integer. So plus 7 into minus 8 is equals to minus 56. And D. Minus 11 into minus 12 is equals to 132. Let's see the question first. Dash into minus 12 is equals to 132. In the question, minus negative integer is given and answer positive integer is given. As we know, if we multiply both negative integers only, we get the answer as positive integer. So 11 into 12 is 132 exactly. So if we multiply both the negative integer, I mean minus 11 into minus 12 is equals to 132.